Percentage.
Word problem.
Let us identify a numerical relationship.
In a Gardenia's bakery made 240 loaves of bread. 25% of the loaves were sold in the morning. How many loaves were left unsold?
Let's perform a simple arithmetic calculation.
Find the number of loaves sold. In the morning, 25% of 240 loaves is equal to 0.2. 5 times 240 equals 60 loaves. Find the number of loaves left unsold. Total loaves. Loaves sold equals 240. 60 is equal to 180 loaves. So, 180 loaves were left unsold.
You're not alone. We're here to support you. Maybe small steps today, but mass mastery tomorrow. Keep going, love.